Hey there, it's Aiden from InPlay. I'm here at Sensors Converge 2024 in Santa Clara. I'd like to show off one of the partners here we're featuring at our booth. So this is a company out of the UK called Lightricity. So they have this very small solar cell, indoor solar cell, right here on this device. The solar cell charges this up. You know, it gives some of that power and stores it in that Nichicon rechargeable battery there. And then this capacitive touch sensor on top controls this unit here. So I have one that controls the fan, and then one that controls the lights. And because these are getting indoor, you know, the lights in this conference room are sort of powering this up. This guy can last forever without any battery or any replacement. So I press that button and you see, boom, the light turns off, right? And so I can press it again, boom, instantly the light turns on again. And so this is reusable, you know, no maintenance, no battery replacement with a solar cell. So small, you wouldn't even know it's there unless I told you. So if you want to know more, get in contact with Lightricity with us. Just shoot us an email, contact us, or go on our website. We're happy to help you out. Thank you.